How to update the app, or how can you update WhatsApp application. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to update your WhatsApp. So for this, it actually depends on the type of device that you're using. For Android user, you have to go ahead and open your Play Store and make sure you're connected to a stable internet. As you're done connecting to a stable internet, you want to open up Play Store and tap onto the search bar, type in WhatsApp on the search bar. As you do it so, you then want to make sure to go ahead and select update. As soon as you're done tapping on the update button, you will need to make sure to wait for it, and that's how you're going to completely update your WhatsApp application. And as for the Android user, instead of Play Store, you have to open up your App Store. The procedure is same. You just want to tap on the search bar, type in WhatsApp, and update your app. So with that, we have completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.